Now the topic before us is, are there any contemporary or localized examples of barter systems still in use today? In other words, the question says that whether barter system is still used in the world, whether there are any examples of the same. Now we will find out the answer of this question. Yes, there are contemporary examples of barter systems still in use today around the world. We hereby give you certain examples. In some African communities and in some remote tribes of Amazon rainforests. Amazon rainforests are spread over many countries of the world, and many tribes which are living in these Amazon rainforests, and the some people which are living in some African countries, that is some communities in African countries, are still using the barter system. These communities often rely on bartering or trading goods and services among themselves as a means of survival, because some person may be having some crop in surplus, and he may be wanting or desiring to have some other services or goods or crops, so they may exchange goods or services with one another so that they can survive. Now we understand the example of, we understand the contemporary recent example of the use of barter system in India. June Bhil Mela. June Bhil Mela is an annual fair which takes place in Assam in India. It is one of the largest barter fairs in the world. During the fair, the people from various communities, villages gather to trade a wide range of items. People come in large numbers in this fair, and they exchange with one another items such as agricultural produce, handcrafted goods, livestock, and more without using currency. Here you will also observe that though June Beel Mela is one of the largest barter fairs in India, barter fairs in the world, but here also currency is not used in exchange of goods and services. Here the goods are exchanged with one another without the use of currency. Now the third example, in this modern world, we many times purchase things online. So keeping in view the technological changes, many websites are also playing a role in bartering transactions between individuals and businesses. That is, some websites are involved or helping the people and as well as the businesses to exchange goods with one another. These websites provide a platform where people can connect, negotiate, and exchange items or services without using money. These websites help the people in exchange of goods and services. Some popular online bartering websites, that is the examples of those websites, are Craigslist, Butterfly, Barter Only, Swaps, etc. These websites are from UK, USA, etc. Overall, barter systems are not as common as they once were. It means that the barter system was very popular thousands of years ago when the currency was not being used as a medium of exchange. But with the passage of time, various types of currencies have come into existence. Now printed notes and coins are being used as a medium of exchange. But there still they exist in many parts of the world. Still barter system is existing in many parts of the world as a way for people to exchange goods and services without using money. It means that though the time has changed, we are using money as a medium of exchange and we are using it for buying and selling of goods. But still barter system is still being used in some parts of the world so that they may exchange goods and services with one another. It may be possible that they are very remote areas where currency may not be in existence or where it may be hard to get currency. Such like of reasons may be there. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.